Hey everybody, this is Travis down at the Steel Magnolia, and I am packing our Lexus GX470 for a trip to the mountains of North Georgia. Little off-road and trail riding up there, and we are considering putting this up for sale. We think that it's going to be too heavy to tow behind the new motorhome. Let me let you take a quick look at it. Does have a new windshield. I had a crack in it and got a new windshield installed last week. It is the third row seating, and I do have the third row seatings in place here just for somebody to look at. Typically we pull those out for a trip. Trailer hitch. It does have the problem with the cracks on the dash. That never was taken care of back when that recall was going on. But super clean interior. WeatherTech floor mats front and rear. Rock sliders. It's got the Tera Grappler tires on them, the G2s. Those are very nice, and they've done a good job for us. We have got Freedom Offroad bars on the front, the A-frames. It does have a 9,500 pound winch, hidden winch installed. And this is vinyl covering that's on the car on the top portion of it, the green. And let me see. Got a door open and a seatbelt alarm, obviously. Sunroof. I do have the plastics where they just lift out. Also, to access the winch handle, this piece also just lifts out. I mean, they serve no real purpose. But all is good. Should you have an interest in this, feel free to give me a shout. This is Travis down at Steel Magnolia, Mobile, Alabama.